Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check RAM on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is open the settings. Then in the settings, we want to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Once we tap here, we need to find the hardware information, which should be over here. So let's tap on hardware information, and over here we can find the RAM size. In addition to that, there's also something that is called RAM boost. We can go to system now. And then once we go to performance, we will find the RAM boost, which we can enable. And then we can grant more RAM for our device if it's available. And how it works, it's pretty much when there is enough device storage, then the Motorola will use part of it to extend the RAM. And over here we can choose how much RAM we want to extend. We can choose, in my case, up to 8 GB. And if you select the new value, you will have to restart your smartphone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.